Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Rory Red Cape. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with 2 lines down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and draw the face. Let's start with 2 large curves up at the top for the eyes. And then a curve to close off the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 small ovals for the pupils. And color these both in black. Now underneath, let's add a long curve across for the mouth. And then another curve down underneath. Now let's hop in and let's draw a line down in the center. And 2 more on each side. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve on each side for the ears. And another one going down and in inside. Now that we're done the ears, let's hop up to the top and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw 2 wavy lines out and curve it up like this. Now let's hop back into the center and let's do the same thing on top. Now let's hop in and from the center, let's draw a few curves up. And 2 more curves on each side. Now let's hop up in the center and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And then continue it down underneath to the ears. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 lines down for the neck. And then 2 angles meeting at a point underneath. Now at the bottom, we're going to draw a crown shape by drawing a point up. Then we're going to angle it up and out on each side. Bring it down. And close that off at the bottom. Now to add the top part of the cape, let's hop back up next to the neck and let's draw 2 curves out. And curve it back in underneath. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve down and bring it up at the bottom. And that's it for the top part of the cape. Next, we're going to hop underneath and let's draw 2 lines down for the sides of the shirt. And then let's add the belt at the bottom by drawing a curve across. Then a small line down on each side. And another curve across. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 lines down for the belt buckle. And that's it for the belt. Now let's hop underneath and draw the shorts. Let's start with 2 angles down underneath. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw a shorter line down. And 2 angles down and out. And then close off each side. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw a curve up in the center on the right. And a curve on each top corner for the pockets. Now that we're done the shorts, let's hop back up and add the arms. Let's start on the right side and let's draw 2 angles down. And a curve for the sleeve. Now for the arm, let's draw 2 angles. Now at the end, let's add the hand. Let's add a bump down underneath for the thumb. Then a longer finger going out. Another one on top. And then one smaller one to close off the hand. And that's it for the right arm. Now for the left side, let's draw the giant cookie shield by drawing a large oval. And then we can add the sleeve with 2 angles like this. Now let's hop inside and let's add some details. Let's start at the top and let's draw a drip pattern down and continue it along the edge with a wavy line. Then when you reach the bottom, let's curve it back down and over. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a wavy circle near the top. And another one inside. Now underneath, let's add a curve. And then let's draw a wavy line down on the left. Then let's bring it back up. And let's add some wavy lines over to the right side and up. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back in and draw the legs. Underneath each side of the shorts, let's add 2 lines down. And then a curve across. Now let's add the socks with 2 bumps down on each leg. And another curve at the bottom. Now from the inside, let's draw a long line down. and then a shorter angle out on the outside. Now for the top of the shoes, let's draw a large curve down. And close it off at the bottom with a bumpy line. Now let's hop in and let's draw another line across at the bottom. And lastly, let's add the shoelaces with 2 curves down from the top. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the cape. Let's start on the right shoulder and let's draw a curve out. And then bring it in at the end. Now let's add another point. Then a larger curve down. One curving it up. A smaller one. A larger one going down and in. And for the last one, let's curve it underneath and then curve it back up to the legs. Now let's finish off the cape by hopping underneath the left arm, and we're going to draw an angle down. And that's it for Rory Red Cape. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!